At the age of 7, I started lever harp. And a year ago, I graduated to pedal harp. Around it, hearing it, and I wanted to try it, so I tried it out and it fit my hand perfectly. So
I would love for her to pursue whatever career she would want, but if she decided to perform and be a musician like I am, I would love to see her follow in my footsteps.
And tell us about your composition.
Well, the title is Creatures of the Deep. I went on a cruise over the Caribbean in January, and I saw seagulls diving for flying fish, and that's the first part of my song. Gulls diving and then coral reef. I kind of like the whale sounds the most. The shaft of the middle tuning key, you have it at the top, you pluck the middle of the string, and you move it up and down, and it changes the pitch. That's supposed to be a whale.
I honestly believe that it's one of the best compositions I've heard someone her age perform, especially for a first composition. So I was very proud of her accomplishments prior to even finding out that she had won this honor.
And I'm going to be playing it in Minnesota at the American Harp Society, a summer institute. Last week of June, I'm going to go up there. It's going to be my first plane trip. I'm going to need some chewing gum. Also, I'm looking forward to taking some master classes from famous harp performers and famous harp composers.
I'm just so proud of her and so happy for the fact that her accomplishments are being recognized, because I'm so proud of the fact that she wrote the composition, but not only that, that she is getting this opportunity to be able to perform.